So to install macOS Tahoe, first you have to go to beta.apple.com and click on sign up. Then you need to log in your Apple account. While shooting this video, I got an error. But don't worry, you will not get any error. As soon as I reload the website, after you sign up for the beta, click on settings, then click on general and click on software update. Then click on this I button and select macOS Tahoe 26 Developer Beta. Then click on done. Now click on upgrade now. Then click on agree and put your